A lot of food, isn't it? This is my buffet breakfast. I love this place. So in front of me here, this we call it Khao Ngiew. Khao is the rice. So this one was the rice, you know, that cooked with the pig blood. And the side dish here is like a sausage and beef, chilies, dry shrimp shallots, and this one Laab, spicy minced pork, typical from the north, right? And here's a pork satay with the peanut sauce and Ajard, right? With the like a salad, like pickle cucumbers, and this one is a Khao Soi. Of course, you come to Chiang Mai, you have to try Khao Soi with beef, like a stew beef, Khao Soi, like Chiang Mai curry. And this one, my favorite. I love fried. This is a fried wonton, crispy wonton, stuffed with glass noodles and pork inside with sweet and sour plum sauce. I know it's a lot of food, but here's everything is not as expensive, like, you know, like in Europe or in America. Like this one, it's 40 baht, which is $1, just a little bit, like $1.2. This also 40 baht, same $1.2 or 0.3. This one $1.5, which is like 50 baht. Same, this is 50 baht, like $1.5. Same as Khao Soi. And my Thai iced tea, this is about $0.50 tea. And this going to be like my breakfast, and then also if I couldn't finish, I have a box so I could take away. So this is gonna be like with lunch as well. Let's eat!